Hi everybody, we're going to be working on the letter X today. X makes two sounds. If it's at the end of the word like fox and pox, it makes a X sound. If it's at the beginning of the word like X-ray or xylophone or Xerox or Xavier, it makes a Z sound. It's kind of complicated, but just know that X makes two sounds, X and Z. All right, we're going to practice tracing our X, and we're going to practice forming our X and then writing our X. So to trace our letter X, we're going to do a big line starting up in the left-hand corner, and we're going to slant it down. So big line, slide down to the corner, jump back up to the top right corner, and slide down to the opposite corner. Very good. Big line, slide down to the corner, stop, jump back up to the opposite corner, and slide down to the bottom corner. All right, let's practice with our Play-Doh making some X's. So I'm going to take my Play-Doh and I'm going to break it into two parts that are about the same size. They're about equal. And I'm going to roll one of my Play-Doh rolls into a snake. And I'm going to put it aside, and then I'm going to roll my other Play-Doh roll into another snake. And if I have a letter card, I'm just going to put my big line starting at the upper left-hand corner, slide it down to the bottom right corner, and I'm going to stop. I'm going to jump back up to the upper right-hand corner and slide it down to the left-hand corner. If I have a word or a letter card. If I don't, I can just lay it on the table like this. Big line, slide down to the corner, jump back up, and we're going to crisscross, and it's going to slide down to the other corner. That's the way to make your X with Play-Doh. Another medium you can use is a salt tray. Just shake it up a little bit, and you're going to start in the upper left-hand corner, and you're going to go big line, slide down to the opposite corner, stop. Jump back up to the upper right corner, and you're going to slide down to the opposite corner, and that's how you make your letter X. You can also do that with a popcorn tray or a rice tray, where you just start again. I think I'll do it this way this time. We're going to do a big line down from the upper left corner, big line down, jump back up. Go to the upper right-hand corner, big line, slide down to the opposite corner, and that's your letter X. All right, now that we practiced forming some of our letter X's, we are going to trace our letter X. So let's go back up to our whiteboard, and I apologize for the glare here. Okay, we're going to start at the top left corner. You're going to slide down to the bottom right. Then you're going to jump back up and slide down to the bottom left. And that's your letter X. And let's erase these words here so I can practice writing my letter X. Big line, slide down to the corner, stop, jump back up, slide down to the other corner. Now let's start on the hat line, and we're going to do the same thing. We're going to slide at an angle down to the foot line, stop, jump back up to the hat line, and slide down to the other foot line, other corner in the foot line. Let's try it again. Big line, slide down from the hat line to the foot line, stop, jump back up, slide down to the other corner. One more time. Start on the hat line, big line, slide down from the corner, stop, jump back up and slide down to the other corner. Very good. And you get to go ahead and choose which one you like best of the ones that you made. And let's see. I think this one is my favorite of the ones I made, so I'm going to put a little happy face right up there. Okay, so we practiced saying the letter X sounds, the X and the Z sound of X, and we practiced making our letter X's. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.